welcome back to Madilicious. Today I am showing you how I make some lemon garlic butter scallops. Now scallops, they're my favorite seafood of all time, so I wanted to make this quick recipe to share with you guys how I make mine. It is perfect. The garlic, so it's really quick, really easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so I have about 11 scallops here. I have some minced garlic, some butter, half a lemon, Himalayan pink salt. You can also use kosher salt or sea salt if you like. I just prefer to use Himalayan pink salt. And I have some parsley flakes for garnish and some black pepper. So what I'm going to do is you go ahead and you just season the top of each of these. Sprinkle on the pepper like so. Use salt and pepper to taste. But what we're doing is we're only seasoning one side of this while it's on the plate. We'll put this side on the pan first so that we can go ahead and season the other side. Now moving on to the Himalayan pink salt. Go ahead and just put a little bit on there. I don't even really do a full crack of it. Our pan should be just about heated up exactly how we want it. So a good way to know if this pan is as hot as we want it is we come over here, take just a little bit of water, okay, in your hands, and it's perfect. Once you get that smoke, you know that it's exactly how you want it. So let's go ahead and place our scallops in the pan. Down on the side, the seasoned side. And once you place them down, you don't want to move them. Also too, these, I forgot to mention, these rubbery parts right here, that's something that you'll just take off as it's cooking because they are a little bit tough. I should have taken it off before, which I usually do, I just forgot. I'll take this one off. So take off these pieces if you can. They don't matter. Go ahead and put this one out here. That is perfect. Now we will just let these cook on this side, but what we're gonna do is we're going to season the other side. Now with this side, I am actually going to season it with some pepper, but I'm not going to use any salt on this one because I already put enough salt on the other part. And it's perfect. It's exactly how I want it. So I'm not putting salt on the other side, but if you do want salt on the other side, that's fine. You don't have to. Do whatever works for you. We'll let this cook for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then we'll check them and flip them and go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay. Okay, so now it's time to flip it. This is exactly what you want. Yes, okay, perfect. Taking them out. It looks so good. All right guys, so the scallops are finished now and they look so so good. They smell even better. I'm going to go ahead and just try one and let you know what it's like, okay? Nice, it's perfect. Look at that. I want you to see. Can you see? So good. Might be really good. Okay, it's perfectly cooked. Okay, I didn't need to flip it over on its side to cook it, right? Look how good this looks, you guys. A perfect amount of butter. I used about a tablespoon of butter for 11 scallops. So good. Let's go ahead and try it. Smells even better. Wow. It's really good. It's the perfect texture. It's really good. I definitely taste the lemon. Okay. Parsley, of course, you can't really taste it. It's just for appearance, really. And the butter is so, you could taste the butter throughout this scallop, okay? The garlic is a nice garlicky flavor. I took it out just in time so that the garlic doesn't burn. That's why you want to add the garlic at the end. But this is so good, you guys, okay? I want you guys to try it. I want you to let me know what you think in the comments down below. It is perfect. You can have it on salad. You can have it by itself, whatever you want. Recipe down below. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Now, I also wanted to mention that these scallops make an excellent appetizer. Here, I just went ahead and topped them with some salsa that I had in my fridge, squeezed some of that lemon juice on top, and I was good to go. It really brought out the flavors of these scallops, and it was delicious.